welcome back. Today we are going to be finalising a few small little bits on the Bentley Continental GT. Now what we have to do, change the number plate because there are two little holes that I'm not really too happy of, so I've got a new one and I'm going to change it over. Doing the fitment better on the B badge because as you can see it is coming out. Oh, I haven't peeled it off. It is starting to come out a little bit, so I'm going to fix that. We are getting back on our splash shield. We are getting on our Holley carbon filters. And then we are getting the screw in our plastic trim on the door handle. We are replacing our battery for a new one. And then we have a final little touch, which is a surprise, and I will be showing you at the end of the video. Let's get this fitted. I'm gonna have to cut a bit out of the arch liner to get this in because this is not going in whatsoever. Look at the size of that. Crazy. All right, let's get it on before I lose my mind. On. We're good. We are good. Done. Shout out to my mum who gave me the idea to put this in a plaster and in a box so I didn't lose it again. Now, let's get the number plate on. And also a big shout out to the guys at Balmoral for getting me that screw because I would have been in trouble without them. They were breaking down a car and luckily had one screw left over. So I have to say, look at this. It is looking sick. It is the Batmobile. This is crazy. Absolutely beyond my wildest dreams. This looks 10 out of 10. Amazing. And for the grand reveal. Gosh. Can you let me know in the comment section down below, does that look central? I think I've done a good job. It is looking good. Me being me, I forgot to spray two of the grills on the front bumper, so I'm going to tape them up now and get them sprayed. These are looking a lot better. I've already done those ones, this one and that one, and also I've just done this. Now looking good. Wow. Right, we have one more thing to do, but we haven't got the parts yet. I've ordered them, but they are still on their way. Now, that is one little not final, but one little detail. I will do the final detail tomorrow when I do the battery, because it is getting dark right now. But this little part has been annoying me, because the last time I got them, they were from China, and they weren't the best quality, let's just say. I'll show you. And this is the puddle lights. It almost looks like the Batman logo. It is absolutely got water damaged. That looks shocking. So I need to get a couple more new ones of them. And then hopefully next week I can work on the sagging in the roof. Now that all that is done, I'm gonna call it for the day, because I'm knackered. And I believe I deserve the break. And I've not eaten all day, so I think I need some food.
Do you want me to like send you a little video?
That'd be amazing.
I'll show you how to take the handle off here. I'm sure I've got a GT here that can just quickly do it too. You'll have to let me know how my YouTube skills are.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to add it into the video. Appreciate it.
Cheers, y'all.
See you in a bit.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye. What a top guy. What a top guy Sam is. He helped me. Basically, I have pulled the lever to release the bonnet, and some reason it is just snapped and I can't release the bonnet. And before I forget, I need to take this tape off, because I completely forgot about it. It is looking very good. Almost better than the ones I sprayed before. Ooh, look at the shine. Now, I realise I hadn't put these on properly as they were moving before, but I've put some double-sided tape around it and popped it in, and it has come out pretty well. But to finish it off, I just need to take off the film. Wow. Now I need to give the rest of the car a bit of a clean. Looking amazing. Now that we've got all of that done, we can relax. It's been a long day. Welcome back to another day. Today we are going to be working on getting this Bentley Continental battery replaced with a new one, because we have been having a few troubles getting power to the car. So it is not as straightforward as you think. There are quite a few wires that we need to be getting rid of, so I'll show you and let's get onto it. So we have the negative cable, which is pretty straightforward. Then we have our positive, which is under all of these cables. So we need to get these off in appropriate manner. And here we have our new battery. Is it the same one? That don't look like the same one. Right, so it is the same battery, but it just has a different cover.
It just clips on, so just got to maneuver it a little bit. It's terrifying. You start a job. No training.
That was not easy. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's get this new battery in. Right, and this is where we're onto the fun bit. This is where we normally get shocked, because when you connect the negative, the negative back to the battery, because it's all connected up, it will more than likely light a spark. So let's see. We have our negative right here. Let's ooh, didn't do it. I heard some noises. Don't know if that's meant to happen, but And there we have a battery change. Here is one cable I forgot to plug back in. Oh, that would have been, well, I don't know what would happen even though it's all connected now. It wouldn't have been the best. Now that we've got it all in, let's start the car up. This is the moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh, didn't sound too good. It's in jacking mode currently. Let's take it out of jacking mode. It might just need a little drive. I'm gonna go in and put some petrol in. So guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button down below. But leave me a comment in the comment section down below and let me know anything you'd like to see from this channel. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in my next video.